DSL Telecom is one of South Africa's top Zoho partners, with nearly a decade of helping businesses with the Zoho solutions. We offer expert assistance to customers during their journey of discovery, selection, implementation, training, and ongoing success. Today I wanted to walk you through our Zoho virtual training offering and a few benefits of attending. Maximize your investment in Zoho software and score more wins. Zoho training will help attendees be more productive while using Zoho software, resulting in increased employee engagement. Learn from Zoho experts who have detailed knowledge about Zoho software. Zoho training includes instructor-led training. The training sessions allow you to see and interact with our trainers remotely, allowing immediate feedback to your Zoho-related questions. Hands-on exercises and case studies aimed at equipping you with the right skills. After the training, you can expect to walk away with the training materials, hands-on exercises, and a certificate of completion. We offer training over the entire suite of Zoho applications. If you'd like to visit our upcoming training dates, please visit our website on training.dsltelecom.co.za, or if you'd like to get a hold of us, please email us on sales@dsltelecom.co.za or give us a call on 087-802-0917. Thank you so much, and until next time.